1. What are minerals? Minerals are natural, inorganic, non-living substances found under the surface of the earth. They are important natural resources of a country. Minerals are formed naturally over a long period of time and are used in industries, construction, energy production, and daily life. Minerals are very important because they help in the development of a country, its economy and industry. 2. Formation of minerals. Minerals are formed in different ways. Most minerals are formed deep underground when heat and pressure change one type of rock into another. This process takes thousands or even millions of years. Some minerals are formed from magma, which is hot molten rock inside the earth. When magma cools slowly, it forms mineral crystals. Other minerals are formed near or on the surface when mineral-rich water, like silica water, evaporates, leaving minerals behind. Minerals can also form when volcanic rocks break down due to the action of wind and water. Many minerals form crystals, and the shape of crystals depends on how atoms are arranged. If crystals grow slowly, they can become gemstones, which are very valuable. 3. Mining processes. Mining means removing minerals from the earth. Minerals are found at different depths, so different mining methods are used. There are three main types of mining. Open cast mining. This method is used when minerals are close to the surface. Big machines remove the top layers of soil and rock to reach the minerals. This method is commonly used for coal and iron. Arctic mining. This method is used in hilly areas. A horizontal tunnel is dug into a hillside to reach minerals. The tunnel may go straight or slope up or down depending on the mineral layer. Shaft mining. This method is used when minerals are deep underground. Vertical shafts are dug down, and then horizontal tunnels are made to reach the minerals. This method is expensive and dangerous. 4. Problems in mining. Mining is risky and difficult. Some major problems include dangerous gases underground can cause poisoning or explosions. Tunnel roofs may collapse. Flooding can occur in mines. Poor ventilation can cause breathing problems. Miners may get trapped underground. 5. Metallic and non-metallic minerals. Minerals are divided into two main types. Metallic minerals. These contain metals and are usually hard and shiny. Some are found in pure form, but most are found as ores. Examples include iron ore, copper, chromite, gold, silver, and bauxite. Non-metallic minerals. These do not contain metals and are usually softer. Examples include coal, gypsum, rock salt, marble, clay, limestone, and sulfur. Mineral resources are non-renewable, but some can be recycled. 6. Differences between metallic and non-metallic minerals. Metallic minerals are more valuable, strong, shiny, and good conductors of heat and electricity. They can be stretched and shaped without breaking. Non-metallic minerals are softer, dull, and poor conductors. They break easily and cannot be stretched. 7. Cement production. Cement is an important construction material made from minerals. The main raw materials are limestone, clay or shale, and gypsum. First, these materials are crushed and mixed. Then they are heated in a kiln using coal or oil. Finally, gypsum is added to control the setting time, and cement is produced. 8. Pakistan's mining industry. Pakistan has large deposits of non-metallic minerals but few metallic minerals. Important minerals found in Pakistan include coal, natural gas, crude oil, limestone, rock salt, marble, gypsum, chromite, and others. Mining contributes only about 2.8% to Pakistan's GDP, which shows that the sector is not fully developed. Organizations like the Geological Survey of Pakistan are working to explore minerals, but progress is slow. 9. Uses of minerals. Minerals are used in many ways. In industries, metallic minerals are used to make steel, machines, wires, and tools. In construction, non-metallic minerals are used to build roads, bridges, houses, and buildings. In agriculture, minerals help build canals, dams, and farming tools. In energy production, coal, oil, and gas are used to generate electricity. Minerals also help in exports, which bring foreign exchange to the country. Thus, importance for economy. Mining plays an important role in economic development. It supports industries, creates jobs, increases exports, improves infrastructure, and helps develop remote areas like Balochistan. It also helps reduce imports and improves the country's financial condition. 11. Problems of mining in Pakistan. Pakistan faces many problems in the mining sector. There is a lack of financial resources. There are few trained experts and modern machines. Many mineral areas are difficult to access due to poor transport. Security problems discourage foreign investment. The government gives low priority to mining compared to agriculture. Corruption and mismanagement also reduce productivity. For example, charcoal was discovered in 1998 but developed much later. 12. Environmental effects of mining. Mining causes serious damage to the environment. Trees are cut down, which leads to soil erosion. Land becomes damaged and uneven. Air pollution is caused by dust and smoke. Water sources become polluted by waste. Noise and vibrations are caused by blasting. Flooding can occur in mined areas. These effects lead to environmental degradation. 13. Protection of environment. To reduce environmental damage, mining should be done scientifically. Trees should be planted after mining. Holes should be filled. Waste and gases should be properly treated. Workers should be given safety equipment. Clean water should be provided. Living conditions of miners should be improved. 14. Sustainable development and mining. Sustainable mining means using minerals in a way that does not harm future generations. It includes careful use of resources, recycling, reducing pollution, and using modern technology. Government policies should focus on environmental protection and efficient use of minerals. 15. Condition of coal miners in Pakistan. Coal miners in Pakistan live very difficult lives. They work in dangerous conditions with low wages. They face health problems due to dust and lack of ventilation. Many suffer from lung diseases. Child labor exists in some mines. Living conditions are poor, with no proper housing, electricity, or clean water. Accidents are common, and many miners die every year due to gas explosions or tunnel collapse. 16. Important mining areas in Pakistan. Important mining areas include Sindak in Balochistan for copper and gold, Thar in Sindh for coal, Khewra in Punjab for rock salt, June Valley in Balochistan for chromite. Final key points very important for MCQS. Minerals are non-renewable natural resources. Pakistan has more non-metallic minerals than metallic ones. There are three main mining methods: open cast, adit, and shaft mining. Mining is important for economic development but harmful to the environment. Pakistan's mining sector is underdeveloped due to various problems. Sustainable mining is necessary for future use. Coal miners face very poor and dangerous living conditions. Question 1. How would you differentiate between metallic and non-metallic minerals? Answer. Metallic minerals contain metals like iron, copper, gold, and aluminium. They are usually hard, shiny, strong, and can conduct heat and electricity. They can also be shaped easily without breaking. Non-metallic minerals do not contain metals. Examples are limestone, gypsum, coal, and rock salt. They are usually soft, dull, and cannot conduct heat and electricity well. They break easily when pressure is applied. Question 2. A study figure 5a, which shows mineral extraction in 2008 in Pakistan. A. Name two minerals shown in figure 5a that are used to make cement. Answer. Two minerals used to make cement are limestone and gypsum. E. State two uses of rock salt. Answer. Rock salt is used for cooking food and preserving food. It is also used to make chemicals like soda ash and caustic soda. E. State the amount of gypsum extracted. Answer. The amount of gypsum extracted is about 1 TUNNE approximate from graph. Question 2b. Study figure 5b, which shows chromite extraction in Pakistan. A. Describe the changes in extraction from 1992 to 2008. Answer. Chromite extraction increased and decreased over time. It was low in the early years, then increased in some years, and again decreased. Overall, the pattern shows fluctuations, not a steady increase. E. Suggest why the extraction of minerals such as chromite varies from year to year. Answer. Extraction changes because of problems like lack of money, shortage of workers, poor transport, changes in demand, political issues, and security problems. Question 2c. Study figure 5c, which shows a quarry in Pakistan. A. Describe the environmental problems caused by mineral extraction. Answer. Mining causes cutting of trees which leads to soil erosion. Land becomes damaged and uneven. Dust and smoke pollute the air. Waste materials pollute land and water. Noise and vibrations disturb people and animals. E. How can these problems be reduced? Answer. These problems can be reduced by planting trees, treating waste properly, using modern machines, filling holes after mining, and following safety and environmental rules. Question 2b. To what extent can more extraction of mineral resources help to increase development in Pakistan? Answer. More mining can help Pakistan develop a lot. It can create jobs, increase industries, improve exports, and increase income. It can also help produce electricity and develop remote areas. However, it should be done carefully to protect the environment. Question 3. Study figure 5D, which shows Pakistan's deposits of gypsum, limestone and rock salt. A. Which of the three minerals is the most widespread? Answer. Limestone is the most widespread mineral. E. Which mineral is found only towards the north of Pakistan? Answer. Rock salt is mainly found in the northern areas. E. Which mineral is used in the food processing industry? Answer. Rock salt is used in food processing. IB. Which minerals are used in agriculture? Answer. Gypsum and limestone are used in agriculture. B. What would farmers use them for? Answer. Farmers use them to improve soil quality, reduce salinity, and increase crop production. Question 3b. Why is the extraction of limestone so important to industry and agriculture in Pakistan? Answer. Limestone is important because it is used to make cement for buildings and roads. It is also used in industries like glass and paper. In agriculture, it helps improve soil and reduce acidity. Question 3c. A. Name one use for gypsum. Answer. Gypsum is used to make cement and plaster of Paris. E. In what ways is rock salt important to industry? Answer. Rock salt is used in chemical industries to make soda ash, caustic soda, and other chemicals used in textiles and cleaning products. Question 3d. A. Name one other non-metallic mineral extracted in Pakistan. Answer. Marble is another non-metallic mineral. E. How does production of non-metallic minerals help Pakistan's economy? Answer. It helps by supporting construction, creating jobs, increasing exports, and improving industries. Question 4. A. Name three ways by which coal is mined. Answer. Coal is mined by open cast mining, adit mining, and shaft mining. E. Why is coal produced in Pakistan described as low quality? Answer. Pakistan's coal is low quality because it has high moisture and impurities, and it produces less energy compared to high quality coal. Question 5. Read the following two statements. A. It is essential for economic development that more minerals are extracted in Pakistan. B. Environmental impacts are so severe that mining should be limited. Which statement do you agree with more? Give reasons. Answer. I agree more with statement A, but with care. Mining is very important for Pakistan's development. It creates jobs, supports industries, increases exports, and produces energy. For example, charcoal is helping to produce electricity, and Sindak project provides jobs and income. However, mining should be done carefully to reduce environmental damage. Rules should be followed, trees should be planted, and pollution should be controlled.